Number 1.
1990 Ford F150, price $7,500. Under the hood, it features a 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, showing only 45,000 miles, remarkably low for its age. The exterior is finished in a timeless black paint that remains clean and solid, while the interior stands out with its bold red finish, giving the truck a distinctive look and period-correct style. Mechanically, the truck runs and shifts well, with everything in proper working order, making it a reliable driver. One of its strongest qualities is that it is entirely rust-free, a rare trait that adds to its overall appeal and long-term value. It is powered by gasoline, and while there is a minor power steering leak along with the need for a steering column spring adjustment, these are relatively small issues compared to the truck's overall condition.
Number 2.
1972 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck shows 79,000 miles and is powered by a dependable small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in a striking green exterior with a matching green interior, giving it a cohesive vintage look that really stands out. It runs strong and smooth, with the engine delivering reliable performance, while the automatic transmission makes for easy driving.
Inside, the cabin is in nice condition, maintaining much of its original charm while still offering comfort.
Fueled by gasoline, this Chevy 1500 blends durability with classic style, making it not only a solid performer on the road but also a collectible piece of American automotive history that continues to turn heads wherever it goes.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. It has 183,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable 4.3L Vortec V6 engine. The truck is all original, featuring a short bed and a regular cab, making it an excellent candidate for an LS swap. Despite its age, the paint remains in good condition, and it has recently been fitted with a new battery. The truck runs and drives as it should, though there are a few minor issues worth noting: a dent on the passenger bedside, worn tires that will need replacement, and an SC system that isn't functioning. Overall, it's a solid, mostly original Chevrolet pickup that blends classic styling with dependable performance, perfect for someone looking for a project or simply a straightforward, usable truck. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,300. Solid and dependable pickup with 119,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is finished in a bold red exterior that pairs nicely with its clean gray interior. Under the hood, it is powered by the well-regarded OBS 355.7L V8 Vortec engine, known for its strength and reliability. Running on gasoline, this truck still performs exactly as it should, starting up with ease and delivering a smooth, confident ride on the road. With its mileage, classic styling, and durable drivetrain, the Chevy 1500 remains a great representation of the rugged dependability Chevrolet is known for. It not only drives well but also provides the comfort and capability expected from a full-size pickup of its era, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable truck with both character and performance.
Number 5.
1992 Ford F150, price $6,000, shows 154,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in timeless white, paired with a bold red interior that highlights the truck's vintage character. Powered by a 5.0 engine with brand new seals, a rebuilt transmission, and a new alternator, it delivers dependable performance while staying true to its classic roots. Although it's not in flawless condition, the truck runs and drives well, offering the kind of old-school charm that makes people stop and take notice. Its clean lines and classic design give it a presence on the road that few modern trucks can match. With tires that are like new, it's ready to cruise with both style and confidence.
Number 6.
1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. The truck is finished in black over a tan interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood sits a dependable 350 V8 paired with an automatic gearbox, delivering smooth power and confident shifts. Remarkably, the truck is completely rust-free, having spent its entire life in Florida before being brought up north in October 2024. It runs and drives very well, with the straight-piped exhaust giving it an aggressive tone that matches its classic styling. The Chevy sits on a set of 33 by 12.5 tires that are practically new, showing less than 400 miles of use. With its clean body, strong drivetrain, and rugged character, this truck combines reliability with timeless appeal, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a classic pickup that's ready to be driven and enjoyed.
Number 7.
1982 Ford F250, price $8,500, featuring a 351 Windsor engine mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs on gasoline and is finished in an eye-catching blue exterior that pairs nicely with its interior. With only 43,000 original miles on the odometer, fully documented by the title, it stands out as an authentic low-mileage example. The truck is in solid condition and still runs and drives, though it does have an intermittent knock that may require mechanical attention. It will also need a new battery, but the tires remain in good shape and show no signs of dry rot, making it roadworthy once the smaller details are addressed. What makes this F250 even more appealing is the inclusion of a 1995 Roller Rocker 351 Windsor engine with just 55,000 miles, giving the next owner an excellent option for a reliable upgrade.
Number 8.
1980 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900. It comes with an automatic transmission and is finished in a timeless white exterior, complemented by a bold red interior that captures the vintage look of the era. Under the hood, it houses a 350 V8 engine, reportedly fitted with a mild cam, which gives it a bit of extra power while still maintaining smooth drivability. The truck runs and drives well, reflecting the durability and reliability these Chevrolets are known for. Having spent its life as a southern truck, it has only minimal rust, which makes it a solid foundation for collectors or enthusiasts. Nearly all original, it offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of Chevrolet history that balances authenticity with dependable performance.
Number 9.
1968 Ford F250, price $10,000. It runs on diesel fuel and is powered by a 6BD1 Isuzu turbo diesel engine that was paired in the 1980s to a Ford 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is also equipped with 3.53 gears, a factory-limited slip rear end. Extensive restoration and mechanical work have been carried out to revive the truck from its previously neglected condition. It now benefits from new brakes all around with fresh hoses, wheel seals, and front bearings. The lighting system has been refurbished with new wiring, a headlight, and a high/low beam switch, ensuring full functionality. The steering components have been updated with all new tie rods and a drag link, while the truck rides on a set of new tires that have seen only about 5,000 miles of use. Under the hood, a new water pump and belts have been installed, along with fresh filters and fluids throughout, ensuring dependable performance.
Number 10.
1986 Chevrolet C10, price $3,000. This truck shows 110,000 miles and is powered by a V6 with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a burgundy interior, it's a base model featuring crank windows and an 8-foot bed. Owned for over 5 years, the truck has always started and run well, with a solid frame, good tires, and a reliable exhaust. It does need some rust repair, a new power steering pump, and attention to the front seat and driver's side vent window. The bed has dents but no major rust, and an extra rear bumper is included. With a bright red dash cap that can be repainted, this C10 offers a dependable driver or a strong base for restoration.